Hello online viewers. In this lecture video we'll be talking about cement. So basically what is cement? Cement is one of the highly used construction materials along with construction materials such as steel, timber, aggregate etc. But cement is one of the highly produced and highly used among all of them. So basically for the basic definition of cement, cement is a binding material. It is a binding material for aggregate particles. It is a binding material for aggregate particles for both coarse and fine aggregate. It acts as a binding material, and it has both cohesive and adhesive properties, and it basically has adhesive properties when it is mixed with water. So basically we can say cement is a mixture of calcareous and argillaceous materials, or we can simply say calcareous materials and argillaceous materials are the raw materials for the production of any cement, and calcareous materials contains about two-thirds or nearly about 70% of total cement, and argillaceous material contains about one-third or about 30% of total cement. And the here calcareous metal refers to limestone or chalk, and argillaceous metal refers to clay or shale. So basically in the end product, or when we toss or when we fill cement, it is in powder form product. It's in powder form product which is greenish gray in color, and cement can basically be manufactured by dry process and wet processes. Now this is basically the simple definition of cement. Now we'll be talking about history of cement. Now we'll be talking about history of cement. So it was not until the year 1824 cement was finally produced by Joseph Espadin. But before 1824, lime was initially used as a binding material. This was because of the fact that the cementitious properties of lime has been known since Roman period. All the cementitious properties of lime in mortar and concrete have been known since early historic times, and Romans have used lime concretes and developed pozzolanic cements of lime and certain volcanic rocks. Lime mortars and concretes were continued to be used in the Middle Ages. So it was finally in the year 1824 Joseph Espadin from Leeds City, England, produced a powder made from calcinated mixture of limestone and clay, which was named as Portland cement. It was named as Portland cement because when this powder formed cement hardened, it resembled the stones. It resembled the stones near Portland, UK. It resembled the stones near Portland, UK. So basically on the name of the place and referring to the stones of that place, the powder form was named as Portland cement. And now basically we have now basically we and we still call the cement as OPC, ordinary Portland cement, or PPC as primary pozzolana cement, based on the original name. So now the major breakthrough in the production of cement was not until the year 1913, when cement was when not until the year 1913, when a cement factory named Derica Cement was established in Turkey, which had production of nearly 20,000 ton per year. In current scenario, Turkey's annual production is more than 25 million tons, and now in current world scenario, China, India, United States, Iran, Brazil, and Turkey are the top six countries are the top six largest cement manufacturers. So in this lecture video, we have basically covered what is cement and history of cement. In our next video, we'll be talking about various constituents of cement and their properties. Till then, you can subscribe our channel, like the video, and if you have any queries regarding to cement or history of cement, you can comment down. I'll try to reply as soon as possible. And regarding the lecture notes of the cement and history of cement, I'll be posting it on my Instagram page, which we have linked down below. Thank you.